These holes are super old. Weather's kind of rounded them up a little bit. There you go. Is that the hole everybody's looking for? That was done with a drill bit for explosives to be set in there. Same with all this. All this had the same drill hole and blown apart. There's two. There's another one under all that, but I'm not digging in there. There you go. Another one. And another one. And another one. If you notice, they're all by this edge because they were getting ready to blow it down. Just like this one. Edge, hole. We'll go back to the other one. All edge, hole. Alright, that ain't it though. There's a pretty one. Yeah, buddy. Now, if these are made by high-tech lasers or something, then we have a lot of aliens landing on this really rough terrain, fellas. By the way, just that hole on a little chunk getting ready blown up. This whole ravine was blown out and dug for water whenever it rains and floods. More holes up underneath this crap, but I'm not looking for them. I'd also like to point out that these holes were also done with Egyptians and Mayans and all kinds of other cultures with hammer and chisel. But you can see the roundness where the bit jumps at the very beginning. It's a rotary bit, like a triangle shape. And whenever it works, it goes vroom, 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 vroom. The bit's probably about yay big. Like a rotary engine, it's the same thing. Look at all these. Pretty one. And these are, well, way older than I am. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 just in this one spot. There's another one. It's pretty cool. People come down here and tag and paint stuff. Right by the edge again. Another one right by the edge.